Okay, well, I'm about to leave. Maybe you should get someone else to come out here.
Alright, I guess I'll call Brittany. She has nothing better to do. Hey, Brittany, you want to come film that nature thing for Maseed? What do you mean you have something better to do? No, you have no choice. Meet me at the trail. Later.
And why were we the ones pulled into this project again?
I don't know, I guess we're like the most responsible or something.
I don't want to do this.
I know, it's so
Nature, who wants to see that? Oh crap, we're recording.
Oh, good job.
So yeah, trees, plants. Yeah,
Dude,
there's.
look at this jacket.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that tree. It kind of looks like a person. Like an eye.
Not really, Captain.
It looks like an eye.
Going.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh,
Oh, so boring.
all this to win a free yearbook. Can you believe it?
I know. Ooh, pretty, pretty.
Yeah. I mean, I love nature and all, but, I mean,
This is just too much of it.
honestly.
Holy crap!
Why are there glasses
Is
with
that
blood?
blood?
Yeah, that is blood.
Are you sure?
Yeah, and it looks like an arrow, kind of. Sort of, kind
Those
of.
glasses look familiar.
Isn't that? Are these the girl in our classes?
The really quiet one?
Yeah. Let's just keep going.
Do you hear something?
Yeah, I think I do.
Nature could be. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
You okay? She's stuck. See,
See if you can call for help or something, like on your phone.
alright, here. Let's see. 911. Hello? Hello? It's not working. No signal.
Alright, I'm gonna go for help.
Alright, go! Hurry! So, okay, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Gotta go see what happened to her. Oh my god. Brittany! Brittany! Oh my god. She's dead. She's dead! Celine! Coming! She's dead! Something killed her. What? What? Okay, hold on, hold on. What? What? Oh my god! Who's he?
Come here!
Help! Help! Oh my god! Help! Help me! Somebody help me, please!
Come here! Hi. Hello. Say hello. Look at me. Look at me! Let me talk to the people at the camera.
Please let me go, please!
Okay.
I'll just walk away, please!
Everything's gonna be okay.
Please.
Look at me. Now tell them why you're here.
I just walked in here. I didn't know.
You didn't know. Well, people of this world, I want to tell you what happens when you don't know.
I didn't know.
This is what happens when you don't know.